What's up guys, Manny from Motomillion, they're here. You're probably wondering what's here. Well, a lot of brand new parts for the 2025 Panigale V4 have arrived. And I want to take a moment to remind you guys that we sell motorcycle parts, and all the products that you see on our videos is always in the link in the description below. What's here? It's the Rizoma Aero Wing Mirrors, the turn signals for it, some carbon fiber parts, and I'm not going to go into detail right now because I'm really excited to get them on the bike. So enough talking, more working. We'll get into the details later. Well, take a look at it. Our bike has two mirrors on it, guys. And we also installed our micro LED turn signals by Rizoma on this episode. We also did our carbon fiber brake lever guard, and we inserted the plug for the left clip-on that the DBK clip-ons come with. I usually do not like running a clutch lever guard. I think it looks more natural with just a brake lever guard. So that's why it is the way it is. But let's talk about these mirrors, guys. When we first installed the mirrors, I was like, oh my goodness, we added so much bulk to the bike. But I remember that this bike had no mirrors for a while, and that's not how we could actually ride it on the road. It's pretty unsafe to have no mirrors on it. And if you want to take a look, this is what the stock mirror was like. So this helped me be a lot more okay with these mirrors. This is big and bulky and pretty ugly, as opposed to these things are nice and sleek. And if you want to put them on downforce mode, they look like this, but this is the way they'll be when you're riding the motorcycle, and they have this beautiful anodized finish that the Rizoma products have. To me, as a road bike, they're great pieces. They look beautiful, but I can't comment on how visible my rear end will be with this, because don't forget, on the previous bikes, the mirror was here and it will come out of here, so the location was a little bit different. I'll let you know, and I'll give you my honest opinion, as I always do when I take this thing out for a ride, and that's what we're trying to accomplish over here, to put this thing together so that we could take it out for a ride. It's been a little while since this thing's been on the road, and I'm itching to ride it. But that was your quick little fix for our 2025 Panigale V4. We added some new parts. There's a few other parts that we're going to add before we take it out and ride it. So until then, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Until next time, guys, have a good one.